I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a fever. I sweat a lot. I sweat a lot. I sweat a lot. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. I cough. I cough. I cough. I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose. I look sick. I look sick. I look sick. I feel weak. I feel weak. I feel weak. I have chills. I have chills. I have chills. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. I have cramps. I have cramps. I have cramps. I feel nauseous. I feel nauseous. I feel nauseous. I vomit. I vomit. I vomit. My wrist hurts. My wrist hurts. My wrist hurts. I have swelling. I have swelling. I have swelling. I cannot breathe well. I cannot breathe well. I cannot breathe well. I wear a mask. I wear a mask. I wear a mask. My nose is blocked. My nose is blocked. My nose is blocked. I sneeze. I sneeze. I sneeze. My eyes itch. My eyes itch. My eyes itch. I have allergies. I have allergies. I have allergies. I have no appetite. I have no appetite. I have no appetite. My throat is dry. My throat is dry. My throat is dry. I drink hot tea. I drink hot tea. I drink hot tea. I have congestion. I have congestion. I have congestion. I am tired. I am tired. I am tired. I need rest. I need rest. I need rest. I take vitamins. I take vitamins. I take vitamins. I drink water. I drink water. I drink water. My skin is dry. My skin is dry. My skin is dry. I have a rash. I have a rash. I have a rash. It itches. It itches. It itches. I change my shirt. I change my shirt. I change my shirt. I call a doctor. I call a doctor. I call a doctor. This is my clinic. This is my clinic. This is my clinic. I have insurance. I have insurance. I have insurance. I need an appointment. I need an appointment. I need an appointment. I have an appointment. I have an appointment. I have an appointment. I cover my mouth. I cover my mouth. I cover my mouth. I go to the clinic. I go to the clinic. I go to the clinic. I need help. I need help. I need help. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out other videos on Easy English Club. See you next time.